हेलो, दिस इज़ मेहरबा फ़ातिमा और आज मैं हाज़िर हूँ अपने द पावर मिनट से और मेरे इस मिनट्स को पावर देने के लिए बहुत पावरफुल अमेज़िंग पर्सनैलिटी जिनका नाम है मिस शिवाली। और आज वो मेरी बड़ी अनथक मेहनत के बाद आज वो हाज़िर हो गई हैं मेरे साथ। मेरी बहुत ख़्वाहिश थी और तमन्ना थी कि मैं मिस शिवाली के साथ इंटरव्यू कर सकूँ और मेरी ये ख़्वाहिश उन्होंने आज बहुत ही अच्छे दिन पर पूरी की और आज वहाँ हो रहा है होली का जश्न। So, welcome to the Power Minutes, Miss Shivali, or Happy Holi.
Thank you so much, Rawab. See, God willing, we are here together. And I wish happy Holi to all our viewers and salam and namaste too.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम एंड नमस्ते टू यू। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है और एक्साइटमेंट इस हवाले से कि कहते हैं ना कि जानना चाह रही थी आपके बारे में और आपका टाइम लेना चाह रही थी, लेकिन आपकी भी मसरूफियात इतनी ज़्यादा हैं, वो मैच नहीं हो पा रही थी। लेकिन कहते हैं ना कि कृपा हो गई और इस कृपा में मेरा और आपका साथ हो गया।
Indeed, indeed. And thank you for giving your patience, to this, because I could understand you also being a professional. आपको भी अपना देखना है और मेरा भी I was getting caught up. And I personally feel कि जब हम किसी को वादा करते हैं तो उसको निभाना भी होता है. So that's why I'm here.
अमेजिंग, अमेजिंग। मिस शिवाली, आपका एक्सपीरियंस एजुकेशन में रह चुका है। मैं जानना चाहूँगी आपके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, मेरे व्यूअर्स जानना चाहेंगे, थोड़ा ज़रा प्लीज़ बताइएगा?
See, Wow, it's a long story, but I'll try to summarize it. Remember in the messenger also, I sent you a short clip of what exactly has been my experience. By the grace of God, I got the experience of working with many industries. Okay, so this is God's grace upon me. And in different profiles, I have worked. I've been into management, into operations, as a consultant, as a facilitator. But presently, if you ask me that Shivali, who are you? Who is the Shivali that we are speaking to? I will say I have been deeply connected with education and trainings. And as my life's journey went on, I also, ventured into coaching and, kind of motivating people. So it became a huge responsibility, I would say. It is not just about a profile, it's about a huge responsibility because that's the difference I would like to make in the world around me with my experience.
अमेज़िंग। शिवानी, मुझे ये बताइएगा कि कि इतना बड़ा एक एक्सपीरियंस और हर तरह के अलग-अलग फ़ील्ड में लाइक अ फैसिलिटेटर और द एजुकेशनिस्ट, ज़िंदगी के इन तमाम एक्सपीरियंस ने क्या सबक दिया मिस शिवाली को? क्या सीखा इन सारी चीज़ों से और इन एक्सपीरियंस के बाद गुज़र कर?
First thing which I learned was patience because I was always a very impatient person. But when you are dealing with people around you who have their own perspective, their own perceptions, their own personality, so then you have to be very patient. So that's the first learning that I have got that one has to be very patient with oneself also, and with others. And the second thing which I learned, it was not really a learning but my realization that all of us as souls, we are battling with common things. Our battles are common, our victories are common. We may be working in various fields in various countries, like you are in Pakistan, I'm in India, but as the human connection is common and our struggles are common, and we can find solutions also. So that was my realization that if we connect more and more, we realize that we are all one. So this has been my biggest realization.
That is amazing. I want to know about that. What do you see the difference between traditional education and as we are as I and Rehan is the part of artificial intelligence school. So what do you see and what is the biggest difference you see between the traditional and AI education?
See, I grew up on the traditional model. It was all about attending school or college or university, getting a degree. Okay, but there was no promise of whether that degree would enable me to be self independent, or to I would be able to apply my skills. Of course, some of us have been very fortunate because of our family, our background, where we got an opportunity to explore things the way we wanted. And, whatever came in our path, like computers came during our generation. So we took to it, we adapted to it. And now what has happened is that traditional education is there, it is laying the foundation. But now each and every boy and girl that we come across, they want to do something for their family, for their country. So for that, the new skills are needed because times have changed and they're changing very drastically. Technology is very fast paced. I find it very challenging at times that I'm learning something and next day I find a new learning has come up. But one thing very good about this is that this new generation is very sharp, by the grace of God. They are very sharp. They are teaching us. They're so intelligent. So the difference would be that now with the new tools, things have become much more easier. In our case, we would go online, research. Maybe that gave us a very strong foundation. I would still, trust my foundation. But at the same time, with the internet opening up and now with the AI coming and new tools coming up, I think learning has become very not just informative, but fun also. The fun element has come in, so we can enjoy whatever we are learning. We can explore, we can enjoy. So that is a big difference. Earlier studies were not really enjoyed. They were not really enjoyed. It was all about passing, getting a good report card, and getting into higher education. But now it is more about skills. It's totally about skills. Earlier also we had skills and all that, but now we have to update ourselves with what is happening around us. Otherwise we'll be left behind. I know that traditional stuff may, for all you know, become obsolete. And here I would like to share with my viewers that, in the Vedic system, we had the Gurukul system. The Gurukul system was very scientific. Young boys and girls, at the age of 5, especially boys and girls, would go at the age of 5. Can you imagine getting under a spiritual guru and go and live in the forest, learn skills? We were much advanced that time. I think that is also coming back because the traditional learning is not just about books. We never had books. There was a time when we never had books, and yet people were so full of knowledge. So how are they doing it? Surely there was some science available that time. So now we are revisiting it. Like when I see all these all kinds of things happening in India, amazing changes we are seeing here. Flying taxis, fast paced trains. You can cover short distance because it's all AI powered. In the industries, whether it's aviation industry, all the industries are becoming AI empowered. So AI has come to stay here in a big way. So a major revolution has taken place.
Amazing. Shivali, I want to know about when you start the career, your career journey, and where you started, at which age. Tell me more about the age level, which is age level you started your career or your journey.
I started at a very early age because my family background was like that, where they encouraged boys and girls, to explore, to learn. So that time we had books. My mother used to buy a lot of books for me. We never had the internet, but the home was like a big library for me. And she herself had been a principal. So she was very much into education, though she was not working when we were born, kids were born, but she encouraged us into learning. So I think I was in school when I started teaching. I would teach the local boys and girls, who were struggling, who didn't have money to pay, to tuition teachers. So I said, don't worry, you come to me. So I think I had 4 students, just 4 students. I was happy with them. I enabled them to clear their board exams. So with passion tha, with interest tha, ki, I want to learn. So that was one thing, and simultaneously that spiritual aspect was there in me, because again, because of my family, my grandmother dadi. So वो भी एक माहौल था घर का. So these two things were going on simultaneously, and then later on, of course, I went for my higher education because I really wanted to study. So I went for my higher education, but somehow at the back of the mind, it was that I would like to get into learning because I love to explore a lot. In fact, the coming of the internet was like, wow, I have the internet. I can do anything with it. And when boys and girls say, "Are kya karna hai?" I said, "What's wrong with you? You have everything now. You have it within your hands. At the touch of a button, you are seeing everything." So I got into teaching initially. I got into teaching initially as a school teacher. I started, but I didn't stay on very long in school teaching. It was just 2 or 3 years. I got interested in other things like trainings, industry, what is happening in the industry. Because my one question was that whatever knowledge I have, where can I apply it? In schools, those times were like, okay, you are a teacher of English, you got a book, you have to just finish the chapters or the syllabus. That of course I did very well. That gave me a very strong foundation. I started with the Birla Group in India. I owe a lot to the BK Birla Group. It's a major giant in industry, as we know. So they gave me a chance to work with their major schools in India. So I worked for 2, 3 years, and then I decided to move on, and I started exploring. So whatever opportunity came, and gradually I went into management. I was learning also. It is not easy. I learned, and one thing good about me was that कोई सिखाने वाला हो, मैं सीखने के लिए तैयार हूँ. And it added on to my knowledge and my experience. And as of now, I am more into training programs now, and also, acting as a person who can be a facilitator or a catalyst, I would say the touchstone. So that is what I do.
अमेजिंग, बहुत अच्छा लगा कि कोई सिखाने वाला हो और मैं शिवाली तैयार हैं, क्या बात है, बहुत ज़बरदस्त, ग्रेट। मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि आप क्या समझती हैं, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द रोल ऑफ टीचर्स एंड लीडरशिप्स, सो व्हाट क्वालिटीज़ मेक एन इफेक्टिव टीचर और हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज़ मेंटरशिप इन द एजुकेशन फील्ड?
I think mentorship is playing a very important role, but the question is mentorship just a word that we are so? This sounds very good. Mentoring is not easy. Mentoring is not easy. It is a challenge because the individual, the teacher, for example, a teacher, if that teacher wants to get into mentorship, that teacher has to be, as I said, patient, and especially take a keen interest in the other person. Not ki, okay, I have to just do a job. If you're just doing a job, you cannot last very long. And I've seen many people with a lot of knowledge and degrees, etc. But when it comes to mentoring, it's a different cup of tea. It's totally different, and you will get a feedback from the person that you're connecting with, whether they are able to make that connection with you. Making that heart connection with your mentees is very important. So the mentor's role is not very easy. The mentor has to be a living example of what that person is teaching others. So if I'm inspiring others, I need to be in that on that level too. So people will look at you from your what you are in real life, not what you know in theory. So the role of leadership is very important. More and more people should come up. Very few people want to be leaders nowadays. They're happy with whatever they're doing, their professional life, whatever they're doing. But coming forward, because when you come forward, you will face challenges. People may not like you. People may criticize you. So are you willing to take that criticism in a positive way? So the leader's role becomes all the more important because now he has to forge ahead, facing the challenges himself so that he can be a living example of what he is trying to do to the other person, how he is influencing. So definitely I would actually like to have more leaders. We have more of political leaders, I would say, especially in India. We have a lot of political leaders, but when it comes to leading through different actions, There are a lot of organizations, a lot of individuals who are doing, but I want to see more and more people. People are generally scared of being a leader because they know they will face a lot of other things. So definitely it's playing a very important role in today's world. Yes.
Yes, we have a question from Mr. Rafiq Malla. He want to ask some question with you. So the younger generation is. Can you see the message of Mr. Rafiq?
Yes, I have seen. And it's a very good question. Thank you, Rafiq Saab. It's a wonderful question that the young generation is intelligent, but they need facilities. Yes, this is a big question. This is there in India also. More and more schools. There are very few schools in India. Public schools are there, and some private schools are there. But when it comes to facilities, there are a lot of people who cannot afford the fees. In fact, I would like to share that at the secondary level, barely 40% of the population is attending schools. Reason is because of the financial thing. They cannot afford the fees, and the parents, want to put them into other jobs, which is not bad, I would say. If you look at the positive part, that child will become independent faster. But yes, formal education is also needed. So I understand this question very well, that there has to be more and more of the education centers. A lot of individuals can come forward. We are seeing in Pakistan a big revolution by Mr. Rehan himself. That's how I got very much influenced by him. That here is a person, he has seen a lot of struggles also. We all know that. We've been watching him. He did not give up, and he's trying to somehow play his own small bit in this on a global platform also. But there are many individuals who can come forward. So आपका सवाल एकदम सही है कि बच्चे तो बड़े इंटेलिजेंट है, पर वो ना खोए खोए से रहते हैं. जैसे हमारे इंडियन यूथ के बारे में कहा जाता है, आधे कंफ्यूज और आधे कॉन्फिडेंट, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो विच वे टू गो. सो उसके लिए फैसिलिटीज भी चाहिए और थोड़ा सा वेवरिंग ऑफ फीस भी चाहिए. ट्रू.
Thank you so much, Mr. Wali, to give the answer of Mr. I don't know where's the name. So
Rafiq,
can you,
Mr.
yeah, Mr. Rafiq. Okay, so can you tell me about the what inspired you to pursue this career or field? Because you have lots of experience in education and other department. So basically, the main focus is towards your education. So what inspired you to continue this field?
थैंक यू रमा. एक्चुअली द थिंग इज दैट पता नहीं क्यों मैं बहुत जल्दी लोगों से कनेक्ट करती हूँ. इट्स गॉड गिवन. And see, being into education, a profession that is needed, you have to put your learning to use, because then you can, meet more and more people and guide more and more people. But what really motivated me was, this is a natural thing. As I said, I myself am a learner. I'm always on my phone, and often people say, "Are you playing some game?" I said, "Sorry, I don't play games. I'm playing the game of life. I like to explore what is happening, latest thing. Now, if I have so much of knowledge and all, why not share it with others?" So I think the biggest motivator has been the people themselves. Nothing gives me greater joy than someone coming up to me and saying, "Thank you, it made a difference." And I get really humbled by it. I'm not the kind of person who say, "Oh, acha, I am this." I wish I could be like that, because that is also sometimes needed. But the biggest motivation have been the people around me, especially the boys and girls, the youth. I connect with youth very much. I appreciate them. I admire them. And I feel that, what if I can do something for that person? So that desire, that humanistic approach of mine, it is God given. It's not that something I decided कि ऐसे करने से ऐसा होगा. There was no planning. It just happened. And God has been very graceful and great, for blessing me with this.
Shivali, if I talk about the personal growth and mindset, so I just want to know about your habits, your routine, or your resources, what you do. So the first question about the personal growth and mindset is that what habits or routines contribute to your success?
See, one is I'm a professional. I'm a part of a very big organization in India. So the whole day I'm busy. But over there, I'm not just training people, I'm doing a lot of other things also. So that is there. And once I am back, I like to relax. I like to relax after that long day, and I take out time for myself, for my prayers, a little bit of meditation and prayers, because I think without prayers, it's of no use. That's why I want, one message for people also, that our basic values of praying, for seeking help from the higher dimension, from God, from Allah, is very important. So I take out some time for my prayers, and I like silence that time, because the whole day there is so much of noise around me and everything. So when I am back home, my music is on. So after my prayers, some music, I love to listen to music, especially Sufi kind of music, Qawwalis also, peppy songs also. I entertain myself in my own, thanks to the social media. So I take out some time for the social media. You will find me that time coming in and out. So people think she's online. I'm not online. Something latest has happened, I check it out. I appreciate that person, that Adil ji is there, Adil Bhai is there. He's putting up some lovely vlogs with his wife, Dolly ji. So I am really admiring. I said, wow, this is great. But I'm not online. It's not that I'm there online. So I take out time for music, for myself, because it's very important to keep this in place. And then, of course, family, whatever I have to do in my family, and then go off to sleep, because it's an early morning. I have to get up very early morning. So around 5:30, I'm awake.
Do you like books?
Yes, I love books, but the unfortunate part is in the past 2, 3 years, because I used to read physical books, having physical books in hand.
Hmm.
मुझे नहीं पता, I don't enjoy these e-books. I'm sorry, I don't enjoy on the internet. I want that physical book in my hand so that I can feel the pages, I can smell the pages. And then here I would like to share something, because I'm a communication trainer also. I love to read loudly. I love to take it out, and as if people are listening to me. I'm a public speaker, and then I read. So I started a book of Elia Shafak. She's a Turkish writer, because I was very much into Turkish writings and all. But वो अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है किताब, वो चल रही है अभी. It's like that. Yes, definitely. Books are my passion.
That's great.
I
So
can
which
talk.
type of book, which type of books you love to read?
Books, I like to explore books which, explore the other dimensions, going beyond the earth that we know, the higher dimensions, the mysteries of the world. I like to read about other religions also. I have done this. I love to read any famous writer. I always say, please suggest a good writer of your religion. Then I read that writer, trying to understand, the philosophy behind it. So it's all like that. Fun books, mystery books also. But these two things, something related to religions, to understand what's happening, like in the different dimensions. So I love to explore the mystery of the universe, I would say.
So I just want to know: is your star Leo your horoscope star? Leo, you Leo or something else?
I'm a Scorpio.
Okay, but you have qualities like Leo, so that's why I
Are
feel
you a
that you
Leo?
are Leo.
Are you
Yeah,
a Leo?
yeah.
So I think somewhere we are connecting. I have very good friends. I have very good Leo friends. So I think yes. So Leo's also. I am a Scorpio, and Scorpio, if you know about us, we go beyond the mundane. What is happening around us? चल रहा है सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है पर कुछ और exploring the mystery of the world.
Same, same, same. So can you describe your personality in just 3 words?
3 words. Well,
Hmm.
I'm beautiful as a person. It's not about the physical beauty, it's beautiful. Integrity. If I, summarize myself, integrity. I'm a very straightforward person. So beautiful, integrity, and I would say very sensitive. I pick up things. So I'm very sensitive in the sense that very sensitive to others. I sense things. So, three things: beautiful as a soul, second is integrity, which is needed in today's world, and third would be, being very sensitive to others to understand exactly what's going on with them. Three words. Difficult
ज़बरदस्त,
question.
अमेज़िंग। शिवाली, यहाँ पर ना मैं एक बात जानना चाहती हूँ कि इंसान बहुत खूबसूरत दिख सकता है और हर तरह का एक ड्रेस करके, अपना मेकअप करके, व्हाटएवर करके अच्छा लग सकता है। बट मुझे ये लगता है उसकी आँखों में जो स्पार्क और खूबसूरती होती है ना, वो दुनिया में कोई मेकअप ऐसा इजाद नहीं हुआ है। क्या कहती हैं आप इस बारे में?
Yes, because eyes are the windows of the soul. Eyes are the window of the soul.
और वो खूबसूरती, वो स्पार्क, वो अट्रैक्शन मैं आपकी आईज़ में देख रही हूँ।
Thank you so much.
बहुत, बहुत डेप्थ है और बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं। मतलब आँखों की जो अट्रैक्शन है ना, वो एक कहते हैं ना कि मैं फ़िज़िकली आपके सामने नहीं हूँ, बट वो अट्रैक्ट कर रही हैं। मीन्स कि समथिंग एक समंदर है, कि उसके अंदर कोई इतना ज़्यादा एक खज़ाना छुपा हुआ है, मैग्नेटिज़्म, मैं अट्रैक्ट हो रही हूँ उस तरफ बहुत ज़्यादा। तो वो ऐसी क्या हिडन चीज़ है आपकी शख्सियत में जो मैं शायद पूछ नहीं पा रही हूँ, तो आप खुद ही मतलब अगर बता सकें आपकी शख्सियत की, जस्ट लाइक कुछ स्पिरिचुअल लिखता है, कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत पॉजिटिव वाइब्स हैं, एनर्जेटिक है और मैग्नेटिज्म है, मतलब लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग। हाउ कैन आई थिंक आई डोंट हैव एनी वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब योर आईज। So the power, the power. So what is the secret of this power?
I think it's my spiritual grounding. My spiritual grounding has been very strong. ये बचपन से ही था, बिकॉज हाउस में प्रेयर्स को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दी गई थी, एंड आई फील आई शुड डू मोर इन दिस फील्ड फॉर माई सेल्फ। मैं कभी कभी दुनिया में खो जाती हूँ। तो जो मैंने अपनी भगवत गीता में भी पढ़ा है, and that has really influenced me. When I speak of, like, when I'm looking at you, Rubab, I can, I don't have to look at you physically, or I don't have to meet you physically. I can feel the vibe. So मेरे अंदर ये चीज इनबॉर्न है, मैंने जैसे कहा, and I've been like this from childhood. My mother is no longer alive, my father also. So my mother and father would have told you this, that when she was very small, that is when I was very small, from the age of 5, I would often speak about God. आज भी मेरे ना वो बहुत ज्यादा एक मेरे अंदर वो खिंचाव है उस तरफ जाने का. So I don't know, because you will be a better person to say this, because these are things which others tell me. Others tell me who connect with me in a very deep way. They connect with me. Sadia ji, for example, she connected with me in a very deep way. It just happened. मुझे लगा नहीं, जैसे with you also, I never felt कि अच्छा she is from Rehan Foundation. Even with Rehan ji, it has been like that. He's a busy man and he's got his own, उनकी अपनी एक शख्सियत है, लेकिन कहने का मतलब है कि ये क्या चीज है, ये आई थिंक हमारी स्पिरिचुअल ग्राउंडिंग से आती है और इनबॉर्न है. आई डोंट नो, इसके लिए तो यू कांट गो टू एनी स्कूल और कॉलेज टू स्टडी इट. So yeah, and life also. Life has taught me a lot of things. Life has taught me, and that is why I feel that all of us are very beautiful as souls. So हम physically कुछ भी हों, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. As a soul level, I connect with you, Rubab. So probably you are sensing that, and this cannot be explained in words. मैंने इतना कुछ बोल तो दिया, but मुझे नहीं लगता मैं बता सकी हूँ. I have not been able to give you the answer.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरव्यूज़ में रहता है, लोगों से मिलते हैं, बट बहुत एक अलग होता है कनेक्शन उन लोगों के साथ जिनको आप वाक़ई स्पिरिचुअली तौर पर कनेक्ट कर जाते हो। और मेरी लाइफ में ऐसे लोग बहुत कम हैं, मतलब कि मैं उनकी डेप्थ में खो जाती हूँ उनसे बात करके। तो सेम मेरी फीलिंग अभी आपके साथ है और ऐसा लग रहा है सवाल बहुत सारे आएँगे और मैं जानना चाहूँगी चीज़ों को। तो कि मैं आइज़ से आइज़ कनेक्ट कर गई हूँ और ख़ैर बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं माशाल्लाह, स्पिरिचुअल बहुत ज़्यादा है आप में। आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, आपके फेस से और आपकी आइज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा कि यू कैन ट्रांसफ़र दिस ईज़िली। एंड आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग एट दिस टाइम कि एक स्पंज होता है ना, اور وہ پانی ڈالو اس پہ تو وہ پورا جذب کر جاتا ہے. تو آپ کے بنا کہے بنا جانے پتہ نہیں کون سی ایسی چیز ہے جو میں آبزرو کر گئی ہوں. لٹرلی آئی ایم جسٹ ٹیلنگ یو کہ آئی ڈونٹ نو واٹ از دا بہائنڈ اٹ بٹ دیئر از سم تھنگ کہ میں کچھ آبزرو کر گئی ہوں ایبزارب ہو رہا ہے اندر. اور خیر یہ ایک الگ چیز ہو گئی. میں اپنی فیلنگس شیئر کرنے بیٹھ گئی آپ کے ساتھ اینڈ آئی ایم لٹرلی لاسٹ. مطلب کھو گئی ہوں دماغی طور پر کہ آئی ڈونٹ نو واٹ از دس. اور اینڈ
Rubab,
آلسو
yes, Rubab, because you are having the same vibes. It's not just about me. آپ جو یہ words express کر رہے ہو, because we have connected on that level. Because you also have connected on that level. It's not کہ میں ایز اے گیسٹ آئی اور آپ نے مجھ سے بات کی. آپ کے خود کے اندر وہ چیز ہے, ڈیزائر ہے. It's there in you. That spark is there. That is why you're making the connection. So thanks to you. After a long time, someone has asked me these questions. Normal questions پوچھتے ہیں لوگ. And لوگوں کے پاس وقت بھی نہیں ہے اتنا کسی کو جاننے کا, سمجھنے کا. So it's because of your own inner nature, desire and abilities that you are doing this. Not because of me. I'm just the catalyst here.
مجھے لگتا ہے کہ نا اچھا میری شخصیت میں یہ چیز بھی ہے کہ مجھے لوگوں کو نا جاننے کا بہت شوق ہوتا ہے. اور اچانک سے کچھ چیزیں ہوتی ہیں جو کہتے ہیں آپ اس طرح سمجھ لیں کہ جسٹ لائک ایک روم ہے وہاں اندھیرا ہے اور ایک اسپاٹ لائٹ پڑتی ہے ایک بندے پہ. سو یو آر دا ون کہ ایک دم اسپاٹ لائٹ پڑی اور میں کنیکٹ ہو گئی. آئی ڈونٹ نو دا اسپرچل کنیکشن, آئی ڈونٹ نو اباؤٹ دا اینی کنیکشن. آئی ایم جسٹ ٹیکنگ سمپل انٹرویو بٹ آئی ڈونٹ نو میں کہ اس انٹرویو سے بھی ایک الگ ڈائریکشن میں چلی گئی. اور تجسس جاننے کا بہت بڑھ گیا اور ہو سکتا ہے آپ کے اس انٹرویو کے بعد میں آپ کو بہت دیر تک سوچتی بھی رہوں کہ کیا تھا ان کی آنکھوں میں, کیا تھا ان کی سوچ میں, کیا تھا ان کی آواز میں. اور اس کو جاننے کی ایک اپنے ہی اندر ایک جنگ لڑتی رہوں گی, سوچتی رہوں گی کہ کیا تھا کیا تھا. کیونکہ مجھے لگتا ہے یہ ایک انٹرویو بھی ایک وقت کم ٹائمنگ ہو جائے گا. میں تو جاننا آئی تھی آپ کے ایکسپیرینس, آپ کی بہت ساری چیزیں, بٹ میری سوچ کہیں نا ڈائیورٹ ہو گئی. مطلب کہ ایک اسپرچل کنیکشنس میں چلی گئی ہے اور اس کو جاننا بہت ضروری ہوتا ہے. تو میں شاید خود ہی اپنے آپ سے سوالات کروں گی اور آئی ہوپ سو کہ مجھے آنسر مل سکیں گے. میں شاید اتنی لاسٹ ہو گئی کہ مجھے جتنے کوشچنس پوچھنے تھے وہ میرے دماغ میں شاید اب نہیں آ سکتے اور میں شاید پوچھ بھی نہیں پاؤں گی. کیونکہ دیئر از سم تھنگ کچھ ایسا ہے جو آپ کی شخصیت میں ہے بٹ یو نو ویری ویل اور دنیا نہیں جانتی.
So remain connected with me. Remain connected with me. We all are leading very busy lives. But somewhere, when souls connect with each other, they have a purpose. We can make a difference in so many lives, that opportunities. So remain connected with me. Maybe I'll learn a lot from you. In today's fast-paced world, I think you will teach me a lot of things. So share. You can just send me a message across, and whenever I look at the message, I'll reply.
ہاں کیونکہ مجھے سم ٹائم ایسا بھی لگتا ہے کہ کچھ چیزیں ہوتی ہیں جو ٹھیک ہے یہ تو ایک انٹرویو تھا بٹ آپ کی چیزوں میں اتنی میں کھو گئی, گم ہو گئی کہ میں جو ہے اب میں شاید لائیو بھی کبھی کوشچن نہیں, میں آپ سے اس طرح کا جب کبھی پوچھنا چاہوں گی تو میں ایک میسج ہی کروں گی. کیونکہ یہ وہ چیزیں ہوتی ہیں جو کنیکشن بٹوین دا گاڈ, بٹوین دا کہ اس کے بندے کے ساتھ ایک کنیکشن ہوتا ہے جو وہ جانتا ہے, جو اس کا گاڈ جانتا ہے. اور اگر وہ کسی تیسرے کے اندر یہ وائبس آ جائے اس کو دیکھنے کی تو شاید ایک الگ ہی ہوتا ہے. بٹ سم تھنگ از ہڈن کہ آپ کو وہ گاڈ گفٹیڈ ہے اینڈ مے بی یو نو ویری ویل اور آئی ڈونٹ نو اباؤٹ اٹ. بٹ ایک پیاس, ایک بھوک, ایک بھڑک, ایک جو بھی کہتے ہیں, جو بھی لفظ یوز کر لیں اس کا کمبینیشن وہ زیادہ بڑی مجھ میں, وہ تجسس بہت بڑا. ٹھیک ہے آپ کا پروفیشنلی ایکسپیرینس بہت زیادہ ہے بٹ جو اسپریچولی ہے نا وہ اس سے بھی آگے کا ہے, جو مجھے ایک فیل ٹچ مجھے میرے مائنڈ میں چیزیں آئیں. تو میں تو بہت کچھ جاننا چاہوں گی اور ضروری نہیں ہے کہ میں اس کو لائیو کر کے انٹرویو کر کے جانوں, صرف ایک آپ سے کمیونیکیشن کر کے ہی جان سکوں گی.
Surely. Thank you so much for your beautiful words. Bless you. دیکھا ہم نے آج ہی کنیکشن بنانا تھا, ہم کب سے ویٹ کر رہے تھے. آر یو اویلیبل, میں جواب نہیں
میں
دیتی.
میں یہاں پر ایک بات کہنا چاہوں گی. آپ بلیو کریں کہ میں انٹرویو کے انویٹیشنز بھیجتی ہوں بٹ ڈیو ٹو مائی بزی اسکیجول اور ادر بزی اسکیجول میں اس کو پھر دوبارہ اتنا سافٹ ریمائنڈر کبھی مہینوں میں بھیج دیا, کبھی 2 مہینوں میں.
نہیں
بٹ
نہیں, یو ہیو
بٹ
بین ویری ریگولر.
बट मेरे साथ जो आपके साथ हुआ, आई डोंट नो, मैं जब भी मैसेज करूँ, शिवाली मिस ऑनलाइन है, मैं मैसेज कर दूँ, शिवाली ऑनलाइन है, मैं मैसेज कर दूँ। अच्छा, जब मैं देखती थी ऑनलाइन हो, ऑफलाइन पे मैं नहीं करती थी, मतलब मैं तो खुद ही शायद इंतज़ार में थी। आई डोंट नो कि आज ये दिन, और आपके लिए भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त दिन, हमारे लिए भी बहुत अच्छा दिन, और दिन भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, बरकत वाले हैं, ब्लेसिंग्स वाले हैं।
एब्सोल्युटली, बहुत
सी
अच्छे
सी
दिन
द
नहीं है तो।
हाँ, मैं यही बताना चाह रही हूँ कि ब्लेसिंग डेज़ हैं, हमारा भी आज बहुत ब्लेसिंग डे है, और जो कि फ्राइडे है, और मंथ ऑफ रमज़ान है, एंड आपका इतना ब्लेसिंग डे है, तो 2 कनेक्शंस एक ब्लेसिंग डे पर मिलना, और कि एक कहते हैं ना कि वो सूरज और उसका एक मिलने का वक़्त होता है, उसके निकलने का वक़्त होता है, जब वो बहुत अपने उरूज पे होता है, तो ये जो एक नेचुरल कनेक्शंस, एक स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्शन ज़्यादा मिल गए मुझे लग रहा है आके, और मैं खो गई। मुझे नहीं पता, मैं यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू कर रही हूँ, लाइव है, इसको कब क्लोज़ करना है, आई डोंट नो। शायद आप मुझे क्लोज़ करवा सकेंगी तो मैं कर देती हूँ।
Bob, thank you so much. And I hope our viewers have also liked our interaction. But I would like to continue this with you. On a personal note, you can always connect with me. Maybe I can also ask you a lot of questions because you are playing a very important role in Rehan Foundation. So I have a lot of questions जो कई बार ना मैं रेहान जी से करना चाहती हूँ, फिर मतलब मेरे को डांट ही पड़ जाएगी। तो मैं आपसे पूछ सकती हूँ। आई कैन आस्क यू बिकॉज आई एम लाइक अ चाइल्ड। मैं आज भी एक बच्चा ही हूँ एंड आई कैन आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस, जस्ट गिव मी द गाइडलाइंस कि मुझे कहाँ करना है, कहाँ पर शुरू करना है, क्या करना है, बस इस सोच में तो मैं भी रहती हूँ। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी।
बहुत ज़बरदस्त। आप जब चाहें, जब आपके पास वक़्त हो, आप मुझे कनेक्ट करें, और जो भी सवालात हों, और वो आप इज़िली पूछें, जितनी हेल्प हो सकी, जितना बता सकी, मैं बता सकूँगी। असर रेहान खुद भी बहुत नाइस पर्सन है, और डाँटते हुए कभी भी नहीं है, हमारी गलतियों पे भी जहाँ डाँटना चाहिए था, वहाँ भी नहीं डाँटा।
नहीं नहीं, ही हैज गॉट हिज ओन यूनिक स्टाइल।
हुँ, 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 हुँ।
गॉट हिज
और
ओन यूनिक।
यहाँ पर मैं लास्ट आपका बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने वक़्त ले लिया, पता है? देखिए 30 मिनट्स का इंटरव्यू होता है, मैं 37 पे चली गई, पता ही नहीं चल रहा, ईज़िली गुज़र रहा है वक़्त। सरहान का अगर मैं यहाँ पे ऐड करूँ ना, कि मैं ये समझती हूँ कि इतने सारे मैनेजमेंट्स के साथ मैंने काम करा, सीईओ के साथ, बट वो जो शख्सियत है ना, वो भी एक गॉड गिफ्टेड है इस दुनिया में, जो सिखाते हैं, मतलब डर ही निकाला हुआ अंदर से, खौफ निकाल दिया, बस सीखने की एक लगन, और एक जो है ना, हमारे अंदर भूख पैदा की हुई है, सीखो, 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 करो, करो। ही इज़ रियली अमेजिंग पर्सनैलिटी, और आज उन्हीं के तवज्जुह से आप मेरे सामने बैठी हुई हैं, एक और अमेजिंग पर्सनैलिटी जिनका कनेक्शंस बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है। दुनिया के लोगों के साथ तो बाद में, बट गॉड के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शंस हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच मिस शिवाली, थैंक्स फॉर प्रीशियस टाइम, और मैं आपको और ज़रूर जान सकूँगी, और आई होप सो कि आपके सवालों के भी जवाब दे सकूँगी। तो हम मिलेंगे अपने एक नए इंटरव्यू में, आपके नए टाइम लेकर आपसे। कोई ऐसी चीज़, कोई ऐसी बात जो आप एंड में कहना चाहती हो, कोई मैसेज देना चाहती हो, मेरे लिए कुछ कहना चाहती हैं, तो प्लीज़ ऐड कीजिएगा।
रिमेन कनेक्टेड, don't give up, remain connected. Okay, that's what I want to say. And thank you so much for calling me. I'm a very humble person, and so when you people call me for all this, I wonder, when you said tell me about yourself, मैं क्या बोलूं? What is there to say? Let the other person say. है ना? So thank you so much, and a big namaste from here to you.
यहाँ से भी
Stay,
बड़ा वाला नमस्ते।
stay.
बाय
Allah
बाय।
Hafiz.
अल्लाह
Bye.
हाफ़िज़, बाय बाय, बाय बाय।